Hey YouTube, how are you? I know I be on here acting silly sometimes. um, but on a serious note, I know I had did a couple of videos about empty seller syndrome and my weight and everything. Um, wow, I'm getting a lot of messages from Facebook right now. Um, it's this is on a serious note. Today I was feeling kind of I was feeling kind of groggy today. Couldn't understand why I was feeling so tired, and I just couldn't understand it. So I kept nodding off. I woke up, was still tired, kept nodding off. I didn't know what was going on. And I have this friend on Facebook who also just keep hitting me up over here on my screen. um, basically, he asked me how was my blood sugar, and I never stopped to think about it, because all last week I was doing a lot of walking and trying to handle some business, wasn't getting no rides from no one, and felt like the best thing to do was to go walking, handle business walk. Not gonna hurt you. Well, this guy just hit my inbox up on Facebook asking how's my cholesterol and how's my blood pressure and how's my blood sugar, and I never just stopped to think of that. I just thought maybe I burnt myself out, but that is so important to our race, as African Americans. I mean, not just that, cancer is a big deal to us. So I know I left some kind of video on here speaking on how I was gonna lose weight and I was gonna record my, you know, whole thing of me losing weight, but I never got to it. Other things became more important, school, my kids, making friends, but I didn't stop to think about the way I was eating. I'm getting older now, I'm in my 30s, and I just want to announce this to you all who may be watching this. If you're overweight, it's time to get it together. I know you're thinking, is she calling the kettle black? No, I need to do it because right now the way I feel today scared me, and I think if we can all just come together and have a competition on who all can lose the most weight, that'll be awesome. I'm in, if you're in. So hopefully you're interested in doing this challenge with me. If not, then I can do it alone. It would not even hurt me one bit, okay? But I just know that for a fact, yes, it is time for me to pull this weight off. I'm feeling the effects of it. I remember doing a video of me feeling pain in my sinus area and all through my head. Well, it's a possibility it could have something to do with blood sugar and cholesterol issues. So, I'm not gonna say starting today. I'm gonna do it because I gotta go grocery shopping. But I want to really track my weight loss. I really want to do it this time. I procrastinate so much about my weight. Like I was on a watermelon diet. Yes, I was, and it worked out lovely. I didn't have much pain. I felt like I was eating lesser. I was moving around more. I was energetic. I'm thinking about going back on it. The only problem is it's hard to find watermelons around here. Okay, um, but yeah, I think if we all come together, this would be an awesome challenge. Um, Leave your comments at the bottom of my video and tell me about your progress. And I'll also continue to record videos of my progress. But yeah, I have to get down to business. I want to be here for my kids, my grandbabies. Right now my kids are small, but still, I just want to be here for grandbabies and great grandbabies. I just want to survive. So, if you have any comments, any questions, or any ideas on me losing weight, um, please, please leave a comment. I don't mind. So let's talk. Get at me. Subscribe. Let's have fun with this, okay? You have a blessed one.